eat. I eat rice. You eat rice. She eats rice. They eat rice. We eat rice. He eats rice. Aisha eats rice. Play. I play football. You play football. We play football. They play football. He plays football. She plays football. Orna plays football. Go. I go bath. You go bath. We go bath. They go bath. She goes bath. He goes bath. Anjali goes bath. Read. I read book. You read book. We read book. She reads book. They read book. He reads book. Joy reads book. Write. I write letter. You write letter. We write letter. They write letter. She writes letter. He writes letter. Joy writes letter. Open. I open the door. You open the door. She opens the door. They open the door. We open the door. He opens the door. Aisha opens the door. Draw. I draw a picture. You draw a picture. They draw a picture. We draw a picture. She draws a picture. He draws a picture. Mukto draws a picture. Close. I close the door. You close the door. We close the door. They close the door. She closes the door. He closes the door. Aisha closes the door. Drink. I drink water. You drink water. They drink water. We drink water. She drinks water. He drinks water. Joy drinks water. Help. I help him. You help him. We help him. They help him. She helps him. He helps him. Aisha helps him.